Every airplane that rolls into the BAS hangar has a story. This week is all about speed, style, and efficiency. Now, some of these airplanes roll in from a hard landing, some from a quiet retirement, but every disassembly in the BAS shop means the fleet keeps flying as these airplanes donate their parts to keep others alive. Now, first up this week is the Mooney M20J. This one is also known as the 201 because it proved that 200 horsepower can hit 201 miles an hour. Now, this Mooney overshot the runway and it tangled with some trees, and the trees won. We're going to get lots of Mooney gold from this aircraft. The IO360 engine, a full stack of Garmin avionics. It's got a Stratus transponder. It's got fantastic control yokes, Cleveland brakes, and rosin visors. Aerodynamic efficiency never goes out of style, and this disassembly just proves the point. Next, we have the A36 Bonanza from Beechcraft. Luxury, range, and that classic Beechcraft quality. Now, this six-seater cross-country airplane comes to us after an off-airport landing. We're going to get lots of Bonanza goodies from this aircraft. We're pulling everything from the Garmin GNS 430W and the GTX 345 to the gear transmissions, flat motors, the autopilot, all the lighting and interior components, and much, much more. Now, very few airplanes have aged as gracefully as the Bonanza line, so if you see something on this aircraft you need, I would recommend getting in touch very soon. Next up, we have the Cessna 177B Cardinal. Now, this is the very cool, forward-thinking, strutless cousin of the Cessna 172. This aircraft came with great visibility, great flying features, and pilots loved it. We're gonna get lots of goodies from this aircraft, including a full suite of Garmin avionics, a very strong O360 engine, a clean set of flight controls, and lots of other Cardinal parts. Now, not many Cardinals get the kind of treatment that we'll give it here at BAS Part Sales. That makes the maximum number of parts available to the fleet. If you need something, get in touch soon. And lastly, from single engine piston aircraft to cabin class pressurization from the Piper Malibu. Now, this aircraft was a game changer. 6 seats, high altitude flying, and lots of efficiency has made the Piper Malibu a staple around the world. Now, this aircraft comes to us for disassembly. We're going to get lots of good things from it. The teardown will yield top-tier avionics, a composite prop, all of the landing gear and actuators, and upgraded systems throughout the aircraft. Even though it's grounded, this aircraft will never fly again. Its legacy will live on in Piper Malibus all over the world. Precision care and purpose. That's what drives every disassembly here in the BAS shop. We don't just salvage aircraft. We keep these legacies alive one part at a time.